grand opening of ReGen Mediterra. Mediterra is the short version of Mediterranean, and Antalya has been very, very rich with civilizations from Lycia times. The team who's been working to make this event great, the local team from our clinic, and I would like to special thank to our global team from ReGen Istanbul and from ReGen Miami. It's been a great day. I would like to present now the special plaques to our doctors who are going to be running this operation.
This plaque grants you the right of representation and use of the ReGen brand and its model of regenerative medicine clinic. ReGen Centers of Excellence are comprised of physicians like you who aspire to treat disease and reduce human suffering through the use of regenerative medicine. As a member, you receive an invaluable opportunity to help shape the future of regenerative medicine and define standards of practice through our research programs, education, and treatment protocols.